Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Shan, and today we are at M Studio for an install. I'm going to be installing some bundles from Curlsqueen hair. Thank you to them for sponsoring this video, and let's get into the install. This is how the bundles look. Super nice, shiny. They smell shampooed and fresh. This is what we are going to be installing today. I will have the link for these bundles in the description down below.
Shine, but it wasn't a match. Wrote some songs about Yaki, now I listen and laugh. Even almost got married, and for Pete I'm so thankful. Wish I could say thank you to Malcolm, cause he was an angel. One taught me love, one taught me patience, and one taught me pain. Now I'm so amazing to have loved another love. That's not what I see. Look what I got. Look what you taught me. Yeah, for that I say thank you. Next, thank you. Next, thank you. Next, I'm so fucking grateful for my ex. Thank you. Next, thank you. Next, thank you. Next, I'm so baby, so give me good love.
Everything has been installed. We are now about to straighten my leave out and see what it's given. like that. The install is complete. I am obsessed. Look at how I'm like super happy that my hair actually blended with it because I was scared that it wouldn't. These are Yaki straight. I believe that is the texture, but I'll have everything linked in the description box down below. Thank you so much to Curlsqueen for sponsoring this video. Like it just looks like my hair just looks like highlights. Like it actually looks so cute.
On the corner, I'm being baby on the yacht. I need 20 mil, make it cash on. I need a layout with that. Don't show me that little booty, put some pants on it. Baby, you can flick it, make her dance on it. Ever since I got money, I got attitude. Can't be no road, she might get mad at you.
So this is about 10 days of wearing the hair. Yes, I did get rained on. That's why my hair poofed up so much. Usually I pass a small flat iron over my edges before I go in with flat ironing the rest of my hair. Then I go over the rest of my hair, following it with a ball bristle brush. This is how I usually get the smoothest results. Now I haven't needed to flat iron the actual bundles. They've stayed super smooth. Even with a little bit of rain on them, it's been okay. Going in with the final touches of my edges, and that is how I refresh my sew-in leave out. I really have been enjoying the bundles. If you guys are interested, they'll be linked down below. Thank you so much to Curlsqueen for sponsoring this video.